solve this quadratic equation? Now you might look at this and think that you know the answer. What squared equals 4? There are a few ways to do this, but we are going to do it with these 4 steps over here. So step 1, does it equal 0? No, it does not. Let's get this to equal 0. I don't want a 4 here, I want a 0. How do I get rid of a 4? I subtract 4 on both sides. And now I'm going to have a 0 on this side. And on the left side is x squared minus 4. Okay, step 1. Is it equal to 0? Yes. Let's go ahead and put a smiley face in there. There we go. All right. Step 2, factor completely. You remember how to factor this one? Oh, it's the difference of 2 squares. So this is going to be our math cousins. One has a plus and one has a minus. In mathematics, we call them conjugates. So x and x, what times what gives you 4? 2 and 2. One has a plus, one has a minus. Step 2, done. Step 3, set every factor equal to 0. Well, x plus 2 will equal 0, and x minus 2 will equal 0. Step 3, done. Step 4, solve all linear equations. I have 2 of them. To solve this one here, I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. And I will see that x equals -2. This equation here, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. To get rid of a -2, I must add 2. Add 2 to the left, add 2 to the right. Cancel those. I find out that x drops down and it equals 2. I have 2 answers here. I have x equals -2, comma 2. Now, when you looked at this problem at first and you saw x squared equals 4, you might have recognized that 2 was the answer. Oh yeah, 2 squared. 2 squared equals 4. But remember, a -2 squared, if it's in the parentheses, -2 times -2, also gives you 4. So you want to make sure that you follow the steps. We're not trying to figure out the answer. We're trying to use our mathematics to follow the steps to get to the answer.